pool players. Hey, Ron here. Welcome once again to the Pool Student Channel. Today I got two key things that are occurring within my stroke that I want to cover, and I want to show you how I have corrected them. I'm also going to show you at the very end of this video a 9-ball spread that I'm going to run out, and I want you to pay close attention, as I'm going to as well, to see if I'm performing my stroke properly. So as I'm now being more cognitive about what it is that I'm doing as I'm pocketing balls, I want to make sure I have that mechanically sound pool stroke. So today, these two things that I want to talk about, I have made corrections, so this run out should show that there's going to be a difference in what I used to see, or what you guys may have seen, to what I'm now doing. So without further ado, let's check this out. Okay, everyone, watch my cue as I shoot this shot. Watch the end and see how it travels after I've contacted the cue ball. Now I have a paper reinforcement there that I'm looking at, and what I've seen is my cue, after I've struck the cue ball, goes to the left. Now I don't like that. As I've seen my videos, I see that happening quite often. Well, I've figured out what it is. I'm going to put this so that that paper reinforcement is right there again. What was happening is my hand, as it would come through, my lever, come through the shot, my body was a little too close to the line, and it didn't allow clearance for my hand. And my hand would hit my pectoral muscle like this, and it would move my stick to the left. You see it there? It would go like this. And it was after the shot, but I don't want that. So I've made a simple adjustment. And all I need to do is rather step into the shot like I normally would, like right here. That's just too close. I'm coming in about 1.5 inches further on the inside of the line with my right foot. So as I step into the line, I want to be a little bit inside, or I should say outside of the line a little bit more. And that gives me clearance for my lever. So when I go through the shot, I don't touch my body and the stick stays straight. You see that? Because before, I was like over here a little bit, and then it would do this. Good stuff, you guys. If you're suffering from that, if you wonder why your cue is moving, pay attention to where your hand is contacting your body. You don't want it to touch your body. Have room for your lever. Have clearance for your lever. Okay, one more thing I want to address. During the last video, there were a couple of occasions that I saw where when I would shoot and I would go through the shot, I came back too quick. I recoiled. Now, I've been aware of that for a long time, and it is an old muscle memory issue that I've had, but it's a simple one to correct. All I need to do is just make sure that when I shoot the shot, boom, I stay into the shot. I want to follow through and just hold. Very simple. Boom and hold. Boom and hold. And boom and hold. As long as I do that, I have no problems. But when I do the recoil, it's sometimes, especially on a draw shot, I may not get the draw because I've pulled back before I've even stroked. And that can be a big issue. I know that's a common thing for a lot of players. So I just want to cover those two things, and those are the two things that I'm going to be focusing most on in these up and coming weeks as I refine my stroke to try to become more mechanically sound. So thanks for watching, guys, and like I always say, oh, and by the way, leave some comments if you'd like, but like I always say, keep on practicing.